Mini Bike Nate here. Welcome to part 3 of our Bonanza build. Today we're going to get into the Jackshaft, the swing arm, and whatever else we can get into. Today, this mini bike frame is going to start looking like a bike again, and we are going to start by fabricating a new pivot shaft for this swing arm.
Okay, so this is for the swing arm, but I wanted to put washers on the outside.
Okay.
So we need to gain that much, because this, I think, is in like at 1/8 of an inch where we're going to cut our ring. I think if we make it 9 3/4, that'll give us a 9 3/4 will give us enough right here. Okay. Yep, they're just about the right size.
The old shaft is worn down from use over the years, and a replacement can easily be made by cutting in new grooves for the snap rings.
Pretty much right on. Okay. New bushings. The old ones may be a little egged in there. Ah, they don't do that.
Greasy.
Good.
We are going to assume that all the bushings on this bike are original. That being the case, we are going to replace all of the bushings just for good measure.
For the good stuff.
Hammer is the #1 precision tool. Cool.
Set the stage. Beautiful bronze footage.
Funny guy?
Yeah, not to be confused with the beam footage. There we go. Yep.
Good catch.
Mm-hmm. Okay, there you go. That'll give us enough where we got a little bit of, it's not crammed tight in there. Just a swing and hey, like me now. There you go. Anyway, so I don't know if that washer needs to be there or not, but
It's not hurting anything.
I like it. Bonanza. Dun 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 dun.
They'll come after us for copyright.
Uh oh. scratch that. Okay. Rear suspension.
Yeah.
Yes. Sweetheart of the Roteo. So, 2 locking collars. So, yeah, off the motor.
Yeah, we'll have to look at the gearing because you can make it faster or speed up faster depending on which side we do the sprockets on. Do some maths.
Yep. Oh, that'll be fun, won't it? Big one.
Guessing it'd go from motor to large sprocket to small sprocket to rear sprocket. Just guessing.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, like this.
Now, are we using synthetic grease? I don't want to cheap out. Holy jeez.
One. Alright. Looking good, man. So, boom. One pre-rusted shaft.
Yeah.
Okay, so drive. Don't know if it needs to be, probably needs to be out. It's that way.
Alright, well, after realizing we did it wrong, we're back and doing it right. So, the locking collar, I guess, is supposed to keep the actual shaft from shifting side to side.
So, ta-ta-ta.
Makes sense to me.
Yep.
The forks?
Yep. Time to start forking around. Yep.
Alright, looks like we are finally ready to start putting these forks back together. A pin holds the spring in place to the fork lowers. Then, the fork lowers slide up inside of the fork uppers. Last, a bolt through the fork uppers grab the unsecured side of the spring, bringing it all together.
Right there. Try not to mall up the paint. Man, should look a little bit something like this.
So what'd that come off of?
That was in the bottom of the tube.
Oh, okay. That's
So
the
you
old.
see where the threads
It was
had
threaded,
tied
yeah.
into it. This was the top one. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but I just happen to have 2 new ones. I don't want to use this one as my spacer.
Okay. So, a little backstory. These forks are off of a completely different make of bike. They came off of a Rupp Roadster. And this is a Bonanza BC 1200. So, we are going to have to make a spacer to make the two fit, which we think we can use an old bushing for.
Right here. He's been through a lot, man. Come out of California, made it up north, and now Texas.
Ooh, I'll have to look it up. I think I got it from a guy in Wisconsin, I think. That sounds right.
Yeah. Oh, righty. That's 6 inches. 6 inches. We need it.
5.5. Is that it? Nice.
There it is. Ought to be enough to get you in trouble.
Oh yeah.
There we go. That's it.
Coming together.
She got suspension, man.
So that pretty much wraps it up for the day. We have suspension front and the back. So next time we're gonna... What are we gonna do next time?
Rolling chassis.
Oh, rolling chassis, yeah. Put some wheels. That's it for part 3 on Project Bonanza, but make sure to watch out for part 4 coming soon. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe if you're into that sort of thing, and we will see you next time.